Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the shop on the Boombeach application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my island, that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons here. New, if you want to check the shop, just click to the first icon at the lower left corner of the home screen, and here you can find different support options, economy, defense and decoration. But I need to reach some level to buy it and upgrade. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.